In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chatgpt error code 1020 in just 5 minutes. If you're experiencing this annoying issue, don't worry. I've got a few quick and easy steps you can follow to resolve it. First up, let's consider the possibility that a VPN, proxy, or privacy routing tool might be causing this problem. These tools, while useful for protecting your privacy and masking your IP address, can sometimes interfere with your connection to certain sites, like Chatgpt. So go ahead and disable any VPN or proxy you might have running. This should help in case they're blocking your access. Next, simply give the page a refresh. Head over to chatopenai.com and hit that refresh button. This can often clear up minor glitches, making it a quick and easy fix to try. If that's not doing the trick, try switching up your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, see if switching over to mobile data helps, or do the reverse. Changing your network can sometimes resolve underlying connectivity issues that are causing the error. Another useful step is restarting your router. By doing this, you can force a new IP lease, often refreshing your connection to the internet as a whole. Just power it off for about 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Once your connection is restored, check to see if you can access Chatgpt again. Now, let's dive into your browser settings, as the problem could be lurking there. Open up your browser and navigate to the settings. Look for the privacy and security section. Once you're in there, take a moment to clear your browsing data. This doesn't just mean your cookies and cache. Clearing all browsing data can help, especially if something stored is causing conflicts with the site. It's also wise to consider any browser extensions you have running. Temporarily disabling them can be very helpful. Some extensions, particularly those that deal with privacy or ad blocking, might interfere with how Chatgpt loads or functions. Go through them one by one, or disable them all at once to see if that resolves the issue. Lastly, a good old logout and back in often does wonders. This simple step can reset your session and clear up any unexpected hiccups with your access credentials. And there you have it. A series of logical steps to fix Chatgpt error code 1020. Hopefully, one of these methods works for you, and you're back to using Chatgpt without any issues in no time. If not, there might be a larger issue at play, in which case contacting support could be your best bet. Good luck!